Hello guys and gals, we're back with more Microsoft Sudoku, and we have dailies to do for January 29th of 2023. Oops, sorry, that's kind of loud. Go up to 30 on this one, there we go. Let's see, there's 2 days remaining, let's see what we got. We have an expert one, oh boy. Not liking that, but okay. Let's go. When you complete 5 rows, it's fewer than 3 mistakes, oh boy. So let's see what we got here. Let's see. Well, they give us lots of ones. Let's take a look at the ones. Maybe they'll be useful. Okay. I see 2 possibilities for 1. We'll note. We need to go notes mode quite a bit for this, probably. Okay, so with that, we figured that out. Now let's check ones. Can't really narrow stuff down here. Okay, so for this, we have... Oh, yes we can. 1 here takes out that, 1 here takes out... This has to be a 1 right here. We know for a fact. Let's see. This has to be a 1 right here. That's for a fact. So let's see. Okay, we have 2 possibilities for 1 right here. Let's mark those. And, let's see. 2 possibilities for 1 right here. So all in all, not bad. That solved almost everything for 1s. Now we can go to 2s. Okay, 2s are just as helpful. We know this is a 2 right here. Why is that not a 2? Oh, because the 2's right there. Okay. Well, we're kind of early on. I think that we're just going to make a bunch of mistakes and try again. Maybe this is going to be good for us. There we go. We're going to just fail this one. That was a good start, but we're going to retry. Okay, let's try this again. This time I'll try not to make a stupid mistake. Okay, the 1s are still pretty good. Not quite as helpful, but that's okay. Let's see. Okay, we have 2 possibilities for 1 here. That's pretty good. Let's see what we got. 1, and then 1, and then 3 1s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s here. 4 1s here. That's not going to help. 1, 2, 3 1s there. That's not going to help. 5 1s here. No, we're not going to bother. Let's check 2s. 2s are surprisingly helpful. Kind of. Not really. We can put the 2s here. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we can't really narrow it down. There's 4 2s up here. There's 4 2s. No, wait. There's 3 2s right here. We can't narrow it down, so I'm not going to mark those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s for here. Oh, there's only 1 2 right here. This might help out exponentially. Okay. 2. Okay, I see 2 possibilities for 2 here. That means we can actually write these down. Okay, let's check 2s. I see 2 possibilities for 2 right here. This is actually going pretty smoothly. Now, up here, can't really narrow it down. Okay, that's still pretty good. Let's check 3s. Okay, 3s are, I'd say, decent. We can go and put the 3s here. Let's see. Okay, we have 2 possibilities for 3 right here and right here. Good. 4 possibilities for 3 here, so we can't do anything with that. 5 possibilities for 3 right here, so we can't do anything with that. Let's hit this. There's this column here that we should probably work with. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well this has to be 4 right here. So we're going to do that. And 5, the 6. Okay, this has to be a 6, obviously. There we go. So that's a good start. Now let's check 3s again, just to see. Okay, that didn't make much of a difference. Let's check 4s. Okay, this has to be a 4 right here, right dead center. But check 4s. Oh, this has to be a 4 right here. No doubt about it. Good. So let's see what else we got. This has to be a 4 right here. Good. And, can't... Wait. There's two possibilities for 4 right here. And for here, okay, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. The two possibilities, I think, are right here. There we go. I think that that's all the 4s marked. Now let's check 5s. Okay, 5s are decent. I'm not going to say the 5s are really that good, but they're decent. We can narrow it down to two possibilities here. Here and right here. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so 5. I see 3 possibilities for 5, so we're not going to mark that. I see 4 possibilities for 5, so we're not marking that. I see 3 possibilities for 5, we're not marking that. 6 possibilities for 5, we're not marking that. So let's check 6s. 6s are decent, I would say. Okay, I see 2 possibilities for 6 right here. Okay, let's see. I see 2 possibilities for 6s right here. Good. Let's see. Checking 6s. I see 4 possibilities for 6s here. So we can't mark that. 4 possibilities for 6s, can't mark that. I see 2 possibilities for 6s right here. And that should do it. Let's check 7s. Okay, 3 7s. Okay, I see 4 possibilities for 7 right here. So we can't really mark that. I see 2 possibilities for 7 right here, so let's do that. Okay. I see 2 possibilities for 7 right here. Good. Let's see. You know, while we're at it, we might as well mark the 5s. And while we're at it, we might as well mark the 8s. But let's go back to 7s. Okay. We're gonna go to this one. I see 4 possibilities for 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That should about do it for 7s. Let's check 8s. Okay. I see 3 possibilities for 8 here. Right here. But we're not going to mark those. There's 2 possibilities for 8 right here. We'll mark those. Let's see. Okay, we have all the 8s up here. Let's see what we can figure out from here. None of the 8s come close. So, what we can do, though, is I know these 2 could possibly be 8s. Because this can't be. So, anyways, let's see. This has to be an 8 right here. Good. Does that help us at all? Okay, so we can maybe solve this. It looks like we're missing a 1. We're going to have to mark those. And let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. Well, we're going to have to mark this then. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, we were at 8, right? Checking 8s. That's about all we can do with 8s. Let's check 9s. 9s are pretty generous too, it looks like. For starters, this has to be a 9. No doubt about it. Let's see. I see 2 possibilities for 9 here, because 9 here takes out that, the 9 here takes out that. So, we can do this. And here we go. Let's see. So this is gone. We have 2 possibilities for 9. Okay, now let's see what we got. Okay, now for this part right here, we need a 2. So, yeah, we need a 2 for this. We have 1 as a possibility here. Okay, let's try and solve for this. I know we're nowhere near close enough to solve this, but 1 cannot be a possibility because there's a 1 right here. So 2 is a possibility. I don't see any 3, so let's put a 3 in here. We have 4, 5, 6, 7. We need an 8. An 8's right here, and 9. So this is a 2 or a 3. That's pretty good, actually. Anyways, let's see if we can maybe figure this out. All it's missing from this is 1, 2, and 3, actually. 1... Okay, 2 and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay. And, that doesn't seem to be very helpful. Okay. We should be able to solve this pretty easily because we have 79791616. So let's see. We have 1 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This has to be 5. And I know beyond the shadow of a doubt this is 5. Okay, let's see if we can solve this then. The numbers that are missing are 7. Wait, there's something wrong here. 7298. Okay, I guess that's right. Well, 7. Well, for starters, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So, and a 9. So, this has to be either 7. Okay, we'll just do a write-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is a possibility. 8, 9. No, this has to be 7, actually. Okay, and that means this has to be 9. And that this has to be 7. And that this has to be 9. And this has to be 2. And this has to be 8. And this has to be 3. And this has to be 6. Wait. There's something missing here. 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 5. I see. Okay, well we can mark the 5, I guess. So I think 5 can be any of these. Okay. So let's see what else we can learn. Okay, we still have the 1, 6 to mess with. Let's see. Okay, we need... Okay, there's a 2 here. This has to be 2, by the way. Good. Now we have 1, 3, 1, 3, and that doesn't exactly help us much. Okay, so now let's see what else we got. Okay, let's try this. 1. Drat. Let me check once. Okay, we only have a confirmed thing of where 3 1s are. That's just not exactly good. Okay, so let's try this. 1 is a nuisance. 5. Okay, well this can't be 5. Let me check 5s. Okay, well I see 2 possibilities for 5 here. That's not too bad, actually. Yeah. Let's see. 1s. They're not 1s. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. I see 2 possibilities for 6. That's... Wait a minute. Let me check 6s. Okay, I can only eliminate 1 possibility here. That's not great. That's really not great. Okay, let's see. This could possibly be a 6. That's dreadful. Okay, 7. Well, this can't be 7. Well, there's 2 possibilities for 7 then. Okay, so 1, 6, and 7 are the ones they're missing here. We might as well put in 1. Okay. Okay, 2, 5, 5, 3. Okay. Let's go back through these. Check 2s. Okay, well this has to be 2. Good. I'm glad we went back through. So let's see. We have 2 possibilities for 2 now. There. Let's see. This can't be 2. This can't be 2. This could possibly be 2. So there's 2 possibilities for 2 along this column. So let's figure this out. Let me check 6s again. It's important to check 6s. Okay. This cannot be 6. This could be 6. This could be 6. Let's mark it. Mark it. Not. Okay, there we go. Okay. 6, 1, 6, 6. Okay, well, we still need a 1 from along in here. This cannot be a 1. Well, this could be. So there's 2 possibilities for 1 here, which is kind of frustrating. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well, this cannot be a 5. This is already a 5 possibility. Looks like this could possibly be a 5. And then, let's see, 6 is another possibility. I think it's the last possibility. So, we know this could possibly be 6. We know this could possibly be 6. And this cannot be 6. This has to be 1. Good. Well, at least we solved that. Okay, and that means this has to be 3. And this has to be 1. Okay, well, this probably has to be 2, right? No, it could be something else. Okay. Let's see what else we can learn from this. Okay. I think the play... Check 1s again. Maybe we can finally solve from these 1s. I see 2 possibilities for 1 here. Let's note those. Yeah, okay, there's the 1s. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I think this has the possibility of being a 1. I don't see anything on the contrary. 2. I guess 3 is a possibility too. Let me check 3s. There's 3 possibilities for 3. It's not ideal. So anyways, let's see what we got here. Okay. Maybe we can do something with this. 1. Well, it looks like this could possibly be a 1. That's interesting. Who's emailing me? Oh, Patreon. Good. Ooh, nice. Let's see. 1. Okay. Let's check 4s. I don't know why I said that. Okay. All the 4s are marked. Good. Let's check 3s. 3s are a little bit tricky. Let's check 2s. Well, okay. We already checked 4s. Let's check 8s. Can we get lucky with 8s? I wish. Well, let's see. Wait a minute. 8. Okay, I see 2 possibilities for 8 right here. Okay, so I see 3 possibilities right there. We're not going to mark that. So we can't narrow it down, and that's kind of weird. I think we would be able to. Okay, let's check 6s. 2 possibilities for 6s there. 2 possibilities for 6s there. Actually, there's 3 possibilities. Okay, I think the only thing to do is to basically do a full workup. So let's see. 1, 2 is a possibility. We don't have access to a 3, so we are going to mark the 3. 4. We have a 4 right here. 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is a 2 or a 3. Good to know. This is 1 or a 6. That's 2 or a 6. I think I've already done a full workup of this. We just need to do a full workup of this one, and then we'll see. We don't have a 1 here. Okay, so we have 1. 2. 3 is a possibility. 4. 5 right there. 6. Okay. 7, 8, 9. So 1, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6. That is a polluted stream of consciousness. Now, let's see. Let's check the 7, 6 here. Make sure it adds up. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6 is a possibility, 7 is a possibility, 8, 9. Yeah, 7, 6. That's fine. Let's see what we got here. We have a 9, 8. 7 is a possibility. We have 6, 5, 4. We have access to 3, 2. We have access to everything but 1. Okay. So this is a good line. Let's try this one. Maybe we can find some kind of breakthrough here. For starters, it can't be 5. I see the 2 5s there, and there's a 5 right here. So 1, 2. It's looking like 3 is not a possibility. Yeah, 3 is a possibility here. I mean, so 3. 4 is right here. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 3. 1, 3, 1, 7. Okay. So 1, 3, 2, 3. So there's 2 possibilities for 3 here. 2 possibilities for 4. 2 possibilities for 6. 2 possibilities for... Wow. Okay, that's... Okay. Let's go ahead and do a workup of this then. Okay, we have a 1 here. Or 1 right here, rather. 1, 2. We check 3s. Okay. This 3 is a possibility. 4 is not. 5 is a possibility. 6. Well, 7 is a possibility also, apparently. Wow. Yeah, 7 is a possibility. I think that we're going to break from this, though. We'll put the 7 down. We might as well finish it off. 8, 9. Okay. This shouldn't be too hard. We have 4, 2, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 4 are the only possibilities. We have a 2 here. We don't have a 3, so this is 3, 4. Okay, let's check this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 is a possibility. 5, 6, 7. 4, 7. So 7 is a possibility. Yes. Okay. 4, 7, 6, 7, 4, 6. Okay, we can't do anything with that. Okay, lastly, we're going to work with this. 1, 2, 3 is a possibility. I should have known. 4, 5 is a possibility. 6, 7 is a possibility. 8, 9. Okay, so 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. Okay. 2 possibilities for 1 here. That's... Oh no. But maybe we can find something else here that will work. Okay, so we have this figured out, we have this figured out, this figured out, this figured out, this figured out. Okay, that just leaves this to figure out. And hopefully we can either use one of our guesses or figure it out some way. So here we have 1, 2. 3. Okay, 3, 4, 5 is a possibility, I guess. 6, 7 is a possibility. Okay. 8, 9. Okay. Let's go one over. 1, 2. 3 is again a possibility. 4. 5 is again a possibility. 6. I'm not seeing a 7. Okay. 8 and 9. Okay. This is not looking good. But let's see. We can try this one. We at least have a 3 down here. 1 is possibility. 2, 3, 4. 5 is a possibility, I guess. 6. 7, I guess. Wait a minute. Okay, 8 is a possibility here. Wait a minute, let me check 8s. Oh, it's not that big of a deal. Okay, well, because these are going to be 8s also. Drat. I thought I'd found something. Okay, we have 5, 6, 5, 6 here. That's interesting. So let's see what we got. Here we have 1, 2. I think 3 is a possibility here. Wait a minute. Drat. I don't think I did a full workup here. Basically, this can also be 6, I think. Wait a minute, let me check 6s. Yeah, this can be a 6. Drat. Well, okay. That was kind of bad. Okay. So now there's 2 6s, and I can't really narrow it down. But okay. So we have 1, 2. I'm pretty sure that 3 is a possibility here. 3, 4, 5 is a possibility. 6 is a possibility. Of course, 7. Okay, 7. I think 8 is a possibility too. And then 9. Okay. Well, that just leaves this one, and then we're going to have to do a little creative digging, I guess. Let's see. 1 is right here. 2. Well, 3 is a possibility for starters. 4. 5 is a possibility, of course. There's a 6 here. 7. And there's an 8 possibility here, I think. Let me check 8s. Yeah, this is possibility of 8. Okay. So, let's see. I guess we're just gonna have to guess. I'm not sure what would help us the most. Probably this. Yeah, that was a 1. That was a guess, but at least now we know some stuff. This has to be a 2 then, and that means this has to be 4. That means this has to be 6. This has to be 7, and this has to be 1. That means this has to be 5. This has to be 2. Uh-oh, I made a mistake there. What's missing here? Well, this has to be 6. I know beyond the shadow of a doubt that's a 6. Okay, so we have 1, 3 here. Oh, I guess this is 1, 3. Okay, wait. This has to be 6 also. Okay, and this has to be 1 or 3. Okay, well, we can note that, I guess. Okay, well, this has to be 8. This has to be 3. This has to be 6. This has to be 5. This has to be 6. Okay, let's see, though. This has to be 7. Am I sure of that? Yeah, well, this has to be 7, and that means this has to be 7 also. And that means this has to be 7 also. Okay, well, I think this has to be 8. No other option. This has to be 8. Okay, let me check 4. Good. Let's see. This has to be 5. Let's just win. And we'll win with a 5. There we go. I can't believe we got perfect on that. I had to guess on that 1. But we just got lucky. Of course. Okay, well, we got lots of experience from that. I'm gonna say done. We'll do Icebreaker next, or the Ice Block one. And we're back. So let's see, we need 2. Clear 7 blocks and 11 moves. So let's see, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we're 3 moves behind. That's good to know. Knowing how far we are behind really does help. So now 3. Okay. See 2 possibilities for 3. No, actually I see 1 possibility. This has to be the 3 right here. And I think we'll do it because it does actually break a few blocks. So let's do that. Good. That should help a lot. Now we are, let's see, 4 and 6 is 10, 11. We're 1 move behind now. That's not bad at all. Okay, let's see if we can just finish this line off. If we can just hit this, figure out this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this has to be a 6, because this can't be 6. Okay, now we have 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are only 1 move behind now. Let's see. Let's finish this off. It's going to help in the long run. We're going to go notes mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need an 8 here. Okay. Let's see. We can solve for this line next. 1. Okay, so this is the 1. Let's check 1s, actually. I see 2 possibilities for 1. Let's note those. There we go. Okay, we need 2. So let's check the 2s. Not overly helpful. 5s. 2 possibilities for 5. Okay, we can live with that. 6, 7. We're missing an 8. The 8 is right here. Let's see what else. Okay, so 8 isn't overly helpful for this. Let's check 9s. This has to be a 9. We'll hit it because it breaks 3, hits 3 blocks. Now we have 3, 6, 7. We are 1 block ahead now, 1 move ahead now, which is good. Okay. So let's see what else we can learn here. We should figure out this. 1. I see 2 possibilities for 1 here. Okay. 2. Okay, well, the only thing we know for sure is that this isn't 2, so we're going to mark those. 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 right here. We're missing 5. This can't be 5. Check 5s. 2 possibilities for 5. We'll mark those. 6, 7. We're missing an 8. Well, this has to be 8 right here. No, it can't be. Oh, because the 8's right there. That's fine. I'm not going to restart. We're just going to erase this and go from there. Okay, let's see. So we know this can't be 8. I didn't look up far enough. Okay, so the 8 actually has to be right here, which is we need to get rid of the 2 and the 5 here and put in the 8. And okay, this has to be 5 then, I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we need 3, 4, 5. We're only 1 move ahead, which is not exactly reassuring. If we can solve this, then that would be wonderful. It's going to be difficult, though. So let's see what we got here. Let's see. 1, 2, 8. We got this figured out, I think. And this figured out. So we just need to figure out this. Let's see what we got. We have 1. Let me check 1s. Okay. We have 3 possibilities for 1. I'll mark them, but that's not very good. We can probably narrow it down even further with this. Let's see. Okay, we'll mark these. Also 2. Okay. Not as helpful as I thought it would be. So anyways, let's try this. If we can solve this, this would be good. So let's check ones. There are 2 more possibilities for 1 here. Looks like. Let me check 2s. Okay, that's really not helpful. Let's, fine, we're just gonna mark all of these as 2s, because I guess it's a possibility. Let me check 3s. This has to be a 3 right here. We did that so that we could figure out some other stuff. Let's go notes mode. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, well, we'll check 6s. This has to be a 6 right here. We can get rid of the 1 and the 2 here. Wait. Are we sure this is a... No, wait. That's a possibility. Okay. We have 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. Looks like this has to be 9. Pretty sure this has to be 9, because this can't be... Okay, this has to be 9. So we get rid of 1 and 2. Okay, now, since we have this knowledge, we still haven't figured out what this is, and I don't really care. Wait a minute, this has to be 1. Yeah, this has to be 1. So, we can get rid of the 2 here, and we can get rid of the 1 right here. Okay, that's fine. Now, anyways, let's see what we can do with this. We're missing 3 numbers. Oh boy. Okay, we need to figure out what this is. So we're going to do a write-up of these, though. The numbers that are missing are 8. Oh boy. That's not helpful. Okay, maybe it's best if we do this upper one first. Okay, well, 1, 2... This has to be 3 for starters. So let's see. We have 1, 2 here also. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this has to be the 5. This has to be 7. And let's see. That just leaves for this 1, 2, and 8. 2 and 8. Okay, that is going to be very, very complicated. Okay. Let's see if we can figure this out just by doing this. Okay. We have 1 right here. Wait a minute. Oh, we can't narrow it down like that. Yes, we can. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, the ice block is either a 1. Okay. What's missing here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 8 and 9. Okay. This has to be 8 right here. We know this much. We know this has to be 8. Okay. If we do a workup of this particular one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has to be 9. Okay. Now, we could just basically win. Well, no, not quite. We don't really know quite enough yet. Okay. But we know this is 8. Okay. That means this has to be 3. We're going to count this as a 3. This is 3. Well, it doesn't exactly help us one way or another then. So let's see. This has to be 8. Calling it now. This has to be 8. So we're going to do this. And this is an 8. Now, what we're going to try is, hopefully, I'm hoping all these are right. There's an 8 here, a 9 here. Okay, and that broke that. Good. I was hoping that's what would happen. And we're going to go off on the assumption this is a 1. Big assumption. Oh, and it's not a 1. That's okay. That means that it has to be something else. So I know this can't be 1. Let's see. Okay, this has to be 5. The 5 has to be right. Yeah, there we go. It was hard. But we at least get 400 experience for it, so that's fine. By default. Okay, so, done. And now that just leaves easy irregular. Let's go. Easy irregular. Complete 3 columns with fewer than 3 mistakes. Columns, okay. Not to be confused with rows. Okay, well, we have some columns that are pretty close. I'm going to focus on these 2 middle columns first. This one especially. 2. Okay, well, this has to be the 2. 4. Well, this has to be 4. This has to be 7. Okay. This column right here, there's only 2 numbers missing. We need a 6, which has to be up here. And a 9, which has to be right here. Okay. Okay, well, this column here is pretty close to being done also. We need a 4. Okay, that didn't help. We need a 7. Okay, that means this has to be the 4 right here. And this has to be the 7. Okay, there we go. That was really easy. Less than a minute to solve that one. That one was really easy. Okay, and it's looking like, yeah, it looks like we've done every single challenge. Otherwise, something would pop up down here. So, anyways, as you can see, we've done every single challenge this month. Why the progress bar isn't working, I don't know. But anyways, it hasn't worked all month. So, they probably broke it in the coding some way. But anyways, as you can see, we've done every single challenge today. And if we check the calendar, there's only 2 days left, which is 6 challenges. And 6 challenges would be 93 total challenges. So anyways, that's going to do it for this video. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I upload. Also, if you want to support me in any way, if you want to join the Discord server, all that information will be in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone. You are loved, and have a great day.